Good morning. I was just watching Double Boost reviewing his ER32 chuck, so I thought I would do my own review of a Banggood ER32 chuck. This is the chuck I'm looking at. It's on a number 3 Morse taper, and it's got a 12 millimeter draw bolt. Now I've done this up pretty tight. I made this little fitting to keep it in the center. There's a wrench flat here. I had to use a huge big wrench to get on that. I've got this Banggood indicator just inside the mouth of the ER32 collet chuck. And for your information, the indicator is also Banggood. Now, I've got this thing set close to 0, and I'm rotating the spindle, and this is the run out I see. Now, at this point, I can't really blame the ER32 collet chuck for being inaccurate. I see similar run out on the outside up here. Now, this old Enco lathe, it's a 9x20. I believe the Morse taper bore is off center. I tried to correct that, but it's still off center. And I'm not really ready to spend $150 on a new spindle from Grizzly, and also do the bearings in the spindle. But this is what I think is going to be required. I'm afraid, though, that if I spend that money, I will end up with another spindle that isn't running true. What you gonna do? With the limited budget and the suppliers that we deal with, there you go. Anyways, hope you all had a good Christmas. Bye.